This exercise focuses on statically contracting the posterior shoulder. We put the shoulder into different angles and different planes in order to focus on the many different muscle groups that are incorporated in the posterior shoulder. Each different person is going to have their own range of motion in this due to mobility issues, so make sure you're just giving your full effort and getting a full contraction, obviously not to the point of cramping. As you can see, the I shown here is an overhead movement, squeezing the shoulders as high as you can, but keeping the elbows straight. The Y is a little wider and may allow you a larger range of motion to pull those shoulders back a little further. The T, you should definitely be able to squeeze those shoulders back a little further. With the W, you want to kind of get a rotation here, pushing your thumbs up as well as pulling your elbows back. And the A, palms go to the ceiling and you squeeze your shoulders along with your triceps.